Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Lesleyanne. My channel, as you can see, is Lesleyanne Sparkle. Why you say Lesleyanne Sparkle? Because I like everything that sparkles and glitters and just a lot of sparkle in my life. So today I've decided to do a video on, not necessarily on these, but what I'm going to use these for. Now obviously it's a travel set, one of these little sets of travel bottles, but I'm trying to work out exactly which ones I'm going to use, what I'm actually going to use them for. I really wanted some with labels, but I couldn't find them. I think Poundland might do them, but I wasn't anywhere near Poundland today. I need to sort out sort of my skincare that I'm going to be taking. I've also bought a Sharpie pen because I thought, well, as I can't put a label, well, I suppose I could print off a label or something, but I just thought I'd write on the bottle anyway. Okay, so I want to take some micellar water with me. Definitely want to take this. Another problem, can't get the lid off of this. No, that doesn't come off, so I'm going to have to squeeze it in. That's a pain, isn't it? Whoops. Right, put a drop in there. Put this back on to see how easily it comes out if I use this bottle. Okay. Well, piece of cake. I'm going to take this. Easy peasy. Might as well not waste it. Take off a bit of I haven't got any makeup on though, but take off a bit of the grime, eh? Okay, so that's exactly what I'm going to do then. I'm going to put my micellar water in both of these. So this one and the one in this pack. Put my glasses on, that way I'll be able to aim properly. Yes, Lesleyanne, lift the lid up, that would help. Oh my god, bubbly. Why is it bubbling? This is such a pain that you can't... Why am I not thinking about using the funnel? Oh my god. That's not a lot easier, to be fair. Look at all the bubbles! Ah. Oh my word. Oh god. Okay, not as easy as I thought doing this. Where's my lid? There it is. Give that a pat down with some cotton wool. Okay, I'm just trying to think. We're only going away for a week. I've also got these, micellar wipes. So I'm thinking nighttime maybe this, morning this. Well, it doesn't matter really which way round it is, does it, I suppose? What do you think? Do you think 100 mils is enough to take your makeup off for a week and clean your face? I'm really not sure now. But I'm not going to use the other one of these. I'm going to keep it in case. So anyway, I'm going to pop this one up here for now. The other thing that I really definitely want to take with me is, I definitely want to take my Alpha H Liquid Gold. I love this one. So I'm definitely going to take that. And I think I'm going to take that in a spray bottle. One of these. Oh, that. Well done. See? Comes straight off. Life is so much easier. And I'm going to put the little... Oh my word. Honestly, guys, if you've never used this before, it is... Oh, it smells beautiful. Just roses. Right. There's some left. I'm definitely not going to need any more than that. Definitely not. Right. Okay. Let's wipe that down. I'm not going to waste it. I'm going to try it, but I'm going to put it on a cotton pad. Oh, brilliant. That comes out really good. Anyway, I'm not going to waste it, so I'm just going to pop it on my skin. I love this stuff. It's amazing. What else do I want to take? I really would like to take some toner. Now, I do like My Lovelies toners. I love them. I've got 3 on the go. Okay, I've got this one, which is the Soothing Apricot, which is what this one is. It's my last little bit of that one. I've got that one ready. And this is the Hydrating Ginseng one. I'm going to go with the Hydrating Ginseng one. So, I'm going to put that in one of the other spray bottles. And do you know what I mean? Top quality products and all that. Yep. This one I'm going to fill to 100 ml. Do you know what's so annoying though is, you know when you're at the airport and you go through like security and you have to put everything in your clear bags, you know, well clearly that is a clear bag, and I've tried to go through with those in the past and they're like, no, it has to be in one of our clear bags. And yet, what really amazes me is oh, that's the wrong one. What have I done with it, guys? I have to take sharps through because I have to inject myself, and I always say when we check in, I always say I've got some sharps with me, I've got injections with me, actual syringes. They cannot go into the hold because the temperature, they have to be on me. And they're like, and I say, you know, I've got a letter from the hospital, would you like to see the letter? No, that's fine, just go through. They have never once, ever queried it, not once. I find that bizarre. Anyway, let's see if this works. Spray bottle works properly. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, don't you just love beauty products? Right, okay, so that's that one. I will definitely be taking my eye cream. That can stay in its own little pot. This is Special Effects by Olay. Amazing. I'll put it on and show you. That's what it looks like inside the little pot. And then I just like pop a little bit on. I'm sure it's doing something. My moisturiser for the daytime I will have, because I use the Ultra Sun 50 Plus as a moisturiser and sun protection in the day, and then in the evening, if I'm rather than use foundation, I use the SPF 30 in the evening, which is tinted, so I don't need to take any foundations at all. I need to take a nighttime moisturiser. One in here, I've got a little night cream, and what size is this? 15 mils. How much have I got left? Oops. It's a glass thing, so I might as well just take it out of some out of the container rather than risk breaking the glass. Like that. That is going to last me a week. Most definitely would last me a week. There we go, I've just written on there. I've got that one as well, so I'm going to take that. So that's my cleansers really, so I don't think I really need to take any more micellar water. Okay, in this basket, this isn't coming with me obviously, I'm just going to show you just by putting everything in. So I'm going to have my wipes with me, my micellar wipes with me as a, you know, just in case sort of thing. My micellar water, there. I've got another cleanser here, which is the moussey type that I can wash off in the shower. I've got my liquid gold here that I will use at night time with my the glycolic acid in it. I've got my toner that I will use day and night. I have got my my nighttime face oil. I've got my Decleor nighttime balm. I have got a lifting flash mask. That one's it, little tiny one. So just have like one go, you know, just sort of one application in there. Another nighttime balm. A sleeping mask, so that'll really hydrate my skin through the night. This is the Hydrating Wide Open Eye Gel. I'm going to take that one. I'm also going to be taking this, but I'm using this at the moment. That's the Olay 7 Effects one. And you know what? I think that is it. So like that's my skincare. It's not loads. They're little, apart from like those 1, 2, 3, 4 that are quite big. Well, 100 mils. The rest are small. Yeah, hi guys, good morning. It's the next day now because I've come back on because I've added one more piece of skincare into my my little travel pouches for holiday. And what I've actually done is I've taken some of this Garnier Body, the Summer Body Moisturiser, and it's a sun-kissed look, and it's the gradual, it's a moisturiser but it's got a little bit of a gradual tan in it. Now I use this in the summer for my legs. I like to have it on my legs before I go anywhere so that I don't look like I've got 2 little milk bottles coming out of the legs of my shorts. So I tend to, like maybe a week or so before, start just building up a little bit of it onto my legs, because my legs are the last part of my body that tans. They seem to take ages to tan. When they start to tan, they tan beautifully, but it's starting to get them to tan. And especially as you know, I use the SPF 50, so it takes a long time. I do tan, but because my legs take longer to tan anyway, they take even longer to tan. So yeah, that's why. So what I've done is I've decanted into one of these squidgy down bottles, just there. This is going to go into this one. So everything else that's in these bags I talked about yesterday. And then these are all the other things: the micellar water, liquid gold, Elemis toner, night balm, night oil in here. And then, you know, I showed you the other little bits and bobs I thought I'd just take for additional skincare, like the masks and stuff like that. I thought I'd just pop these in here. There we go, like so. So that's all done, this one. So this will come with me in my hand luggage. I can do this one up now. And that's got the micellar wipes in, it's got the cleansing mousse in, and it's got the Summer Body Kiss from the Garnier in there. That is everything. These two, this is it. This is what I'm taking for my skincare on holiday. And of course, and I will be taking a pack of these as well. That's it. That's everything I will be taking. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's given you a little bit of insight into what I take for my skincare when I'm going abroad. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give me that big old thumbs up, because it definitely helps. It lets me know that you like it and that you'd like to see maybe more of this type of video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you could become part of my YouTube family. I will see you all in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay fabulous.